Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. And in today's video, I want to talk about getting ungated on Amazon. So if you're restricted with a particular brand, maybe Fisher Price, and you want to get ungated, what you're going to have to do is go to a distributor or a supplier. Maybe you want to get ungated in DVDs. You know, a place I like to go to is christianbooks.com. And what you're going to have to do is buy 10 of a specific DVD. You're going to get that invoice from them, which either A, it's going to come in the shipment to you, and there's going to be an invoice. And what you can do is take a picture or scan it in, right? And then you're going to have to upload that. When you go to add a product on Amazon, there's a little place where it's going to show you're restricted and it's going to ask for an invoice. You're going to upload it there. Now, you need to make sure it's from a legitimate distributor. You're going to have to buy at least 10 of an item, and then you're going to upload it. Sometimes they'll approve you within a couple hours, 24 hours. Sometimes you have to wait. And then other times they're going to literally deny you. And this is the craziest thing, right? I've helped hundreds and hundreds of people to get ungated. I've been, ungated in multiple categories and brands over the years. And sometimes the reality is you're going to have to submit that invoice 3, 4, 5, 10, 15 times to get approved. And really, there's no rhyme or reason. But I wanted to bring that up in this video, that sometimes you're going to purchase 10 of an item, okay? And let's just say it's Fisher Price or Lego, christianbook.com for a DVD or a CD, right? There's a whole bunch of different distributors that you can use. And if you want me to make a video in the future sharing all the different distributors that I use, then drop a comment down below and say distributor. I'm happy to share all the different ones I use. But essentially, sometimes they're gonna just not approve you, right? And they're not gonna tell you exactly why. I've had students of mine who have had to literally submit it 8 times. My friend Jerry, a couple of years ago, I got him help. I helped him get set up with DVDs. I think it was the 8th or 9th try that he got approved with DVDs. So sometimes you're gonna have to keep submitting it. Now, a quick tip I wanna share in this video is if you get denied, you're gonna wanna close out that case. When you go into the case, close it out and resubmit it again, or else it's gonna keep going to that same rep on Amazon. This is sign language for the same rep, okay? So close it off, and then resubmit it, okay? Now make sure that your name is correct, your address is correct, everything has to match up with your Amazon account. I see this all the time where someone will book a coaching call with me and it's not cheap. And literally they just wasted their money booking the call with me. If they would have just taken the time, I hate to say it, to make sure their name matched up with their account. You got to make sure if your account has an LLC, but you're putting your personal name or addresses are different, you're not going to get approved. So all the information on your Amazon account and the actual distributor invoice needs to be the same, okay? So I can't say that enough. Make sure it's all the same. Sometimes you're going to have to resubmit, close out the account, make sure it's 10 items per that ASIN. A lot of times what I like to do is highlight it or circle it so they know exactly what ASIN I'm trying to get ungated in. So I just want to share a couple quick tips in this video. If you have any more questions regarding getting ungated, or if you want some of the different distributors that I use, which again, a lot of people are going to hide that. I think this is like public information, but some people want to hide it. If you want that, comment distributor, and I'm happy to go through, like I'll make a video sharing like what distributors I use for tools, right? What distributors I use for different electronics. I already shared what I did for DVDs and CDs, but if you want grocery, all these different things, just comment distributor. I'll do it 100% free, make a video, break it all down and go in depth. But be persistent when you're trying to get ungated. And also keep in mind, some things you're not going to be able to get ungated in, like Sony nowadays. Like they're just not approving new people. If you want to get ungated in like textbooks, you're not really going to be able to do it unless you go through, I believe it's called the EPEG program, which my friend Avery said, I think he said it costs like $50,000 to go through that whole process. So, I mean, who's going to do that, right? But it's a process. Stay strong. Keep submitting those invoices. Make sure your information is correct. Be persistent. And hopefully this video helps. Much love, everybody. Thanks.